This is 2021, this year. Very, very easy. Very, very simple. Very, very easy. You just check it. 2021 EC paper, they have given this question. Okay. So maybe 1 mark question because only two steps are there. Very simple. Maybe 1 mark question. You can check in the question paper. Now what I will do, I will first write, this is a branch point. Here it is a branch point. Okay, here it is a branch point. Immediately we have summing point. We cannot interchange branch point and summing point. Simplification should be inside out. Simplification should be inside out. So I will complete the feedback on the bottom side first. In the first step, I will just simplify the bottom feedback. Okay, bottom side feedback is that I will simplify. You know negative feedback means G by 1 plus GH. In the place of G, G1 is there. In the place of H, H1 is there. So I am just, okay, I am just simplifying that. Overall input is X of S. Overall output is Y of S. And here no need of summing point. It can be directly X of S only coming over here. So it can be directly connected. G2 is present. Here G2 is present. I have missed. G2 is present. Okay. Now both sign is positive, positive. Both the arrow mark sign is positive, positive. So now these two blocks are in parallel. These two blocks are in parallel. If they are parallel, we have to add them. So G2 plus G1 by 1 plus G1 H1. This is the single block. In the next step, we have to add them. If two blocks are in parallel, we have to add them. Both are forward direction, hence we are calling them parallel. Okay. Why we are calling feedback? It is backward direction. Why we are calling it forward parallel? It is in forward direction. Okay. So we have just added them. Now the transfer function is nothing but y of s by x of s, and addition is G2. If you make LCM, if you want, you can also make LCM. G2 plus G1, G2, H1 plus G1 divided by, I have just simplified whatever present inside the box. I have just made LCM and simplified whatever present in the box. Okay, this is same step 2 only. You need not write it as step 3. Step 2 only, inside the box, whatever is there, I have simplified. This is the final answer. Okay. Now I am going to next problem. This is 2020 triple paper. They have given find transfer function. Find transfer function in 2020 paper. Okay. So step 1, we know very simple, very simple. Two blocks are in series. Two blocks are in series. We have to multiply them. Series means multiply. Parallel means addition. Okay. So these two blocks, we are making it to a single block. Blocks in series, we have to multiply them. Blocks in series, we have to multiply them. Rest of the diagram as it is, we can draw it. Rest of the diagram as it is, we can draw it. This is minus sign coming over here. You can write it outside or inside the cross mark. Okay, the meaning is same. Outside or inside the cross mark, meaning is same. R of S is positive. Okay. Now in the forward direction, you are having one block. In the feedback direction, you are having one block. Forward direction, we will take it as G. Feedback direction, we will take it as H. Okay. This complete box is G. This complete box is H. Because it is negative feedback, G by 1 plus GH is the transfer function. G by 1 plus GH is the transfer function. That is nothing but output by input. Y of S by R of S. Y of S by R of S is the transfer function. Okay. Now what I will do, substitute. G means I told you the first block, forward direction block is G. So it is 1 by S plus 1 into 1 by S square. This is G divided by 1 plus GH. So G is again 1 by S plus 1, 1 by S square. This is G into H. H value is 20 by S plus 20. 20 by S plus 20. Denominator second term, we have 3 factors multiplied. Denominator second term, we have 3 factors multiplied. Okay. So simplify this, make LCM and simplify this. So here in the numerator, what we have, 1 divided by S square into S plus 1. Denominator, if you make LCM, what will happen? Denominator, if you make LCM, S square into S plus 1 into S plus 20 is the first term in denominator. Second term in denominator will be 20. LCM will be s square into s plus 1 into s plus 20. This complete is denominator. This complete is denominator. Okay. This s square s plus 1, s square s plus 1 will get cancelled. We are left out with this s plus 20 will go to numerator and denominator will be having you can thoroughly multiply and find out if it is MCQ. Okay, if it is MCQ. This is memory based question. So people coming out, they will just remember the question and paste it in the Google. That's what I have taken. And if it is MCQ, options will be there because it is memory based question. They may not have remembered the options. Okay, you can also search and take the options. Now this is s square, s plus 1, s plus 20 plus 20. This is denominator. This is the overall transfer function. The denominator thoroughly you can multiply and just check. Okay. Now coming to this question, 2013 IES paper, it is given 2013. An open loop transfer function of a unity feedback system is given by open loop transfer function of a unity feedback system is given by g of s equal to 1 by s plus 2 whole square. Okay. So g of s is given. Unity feedback means h is 1. Unity feedback means unity means 1. Unity means 1. Okay. This is generally R of S we will use, Y of S or C of S we will use. Negative unity feedback system. Okay, preferably negative feedback system. H equal to 1. Unity feedback means H equal to 1. Generally negative feedback will be taken. Okay, H equal to 1 is the unity feedback system. H equal to 1. G value is given. Now what is the closed loop transfer function? Closed loop transfer function, which is Y of S by R of S. It is G by 1 plus GH. G value is given. So 1 by S plus 2 whole square, this is G value, divided by 1 plus GH. G is 1 by S plus 2 whole square. H value is 1. H value is 1. If you simplify 1 by s plus 2 whole square plus 1, other things get cancelled. Okay, if you make LCM, other things will get cancelled. Now this is 1 by s square plus 4s plus 4 plus 1, and it is 1 by s square plus 4s, okay, 4s plus 5. This is closed loop transfer function. Closed loop transfer function. What they are asking, the closed loop transfer function will have pole set. Numerator will give zeros. Okay, numerator will give zeros. Denominator will give poles. Okay, they are asking poles in the closed loop transfer function where the poles will be. So take the denominator, equate it to 0, find the factors. So s equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, so this is of the form ax square bx plus c equal to 0. This is equation 1. Now compare equation 1. A value is 1, b value is 4, c value is 5. Substitute here. So minus b means minus 4 plus or minus b square means 4 square is 16 minus 4ac. 4 into 5 into 1, 20. It is 20 divided by, okay, 2a means 2 into 1. 2a means 2 into 1. Okay. So next, what I will do, I will take, this is step 1. Step 1, we have calculated the closed loop transfer function. This is step 2. From step 2, we are trying to find the value. Okay. So just here s equal to minus 4 plus or minus, okay, 2 into square root. Here we have minus 4 divided by 2, and I can write minus 4 plus or minus 2 into square root minus 1. Okay, 4 into minus 1 I am taking. 4 into minus 1 I am taking. Square root minus 1 is nothing but j or I. J or I. Minus 4 plus or minus 2 into j. Square root minus 1 is j divided by 2. If you simplify using this 2, if you simplify, it is minus 2 plus or minus 1 into j. Minus 2 plus or minus 1 into j. So it is minus 2 plus j minus 2 minus j. Okay. So this is finally the final thing. It is minus 2 plus j comma minus 2 minus j is the final answer. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Okay. So what we have done, we have calculated the closed loop transfer function. Then from the denominator, calculate the root.